dude. My guns are juicing. Don't think I can finish this set. Carlos, I need a spot. Oh, Roger, it's magnificent. Where did you get it?
Oh, I got a great deal. This limo company went out of business. Oh, you know damn well I stole it.
Let's go for a ride.
No. I'm going to start a business. It's always been a dream of mine to drive people slightly more privileged than myself to various locations.
And it is my dream to accompany people with slightly more specific dreams than mine.
Okay, the bars are emptying out. Time to get our first client ever. Looks like you fine gentlemen are making memories tonight. $20 anywhere you want to go.
You!
Aha, the jester. Every group has one. Come on, get in, you rascals.
Oh my God! That was such a hot burp.
Suck it up, Klaus. This is a service industry. Just be professional. You guys are so crazy. Oh, man, is that your bottom? Oh, you put it right next to my face. That's so funny. Oh, you farted, too. Yeah, you guys are so much fun. Okay, guys, here we are. And here's a memento for you at no extra charge. So, will you be paying your $20 in cash or... Hey!
Thanks for the ride, sucker!
I can't believe it. I treated them with nothing but respect and civility, and they want to stiff me?
Whoa, what are you doing?
You don't mess with a man's dream.
Whoa! Dude, you killed him!
One down, 4 to go.
You're really gonna kill 5 people over $20?
Are you really asking that to the guy who just last week killed 6 people over $19?
Oh, yeah.
I can't believe Tad's dead.
I can't believe I already banged his girlfriend.
I can't believe I watched.
Oh, you did a little more than watch. Yeah, man.
Oh, my God. Is that on the inside or the outside? Oh, it's on the outside.
They got run over, man. They're dead. We're next. I know it.
Bro, relax. Go splash some water on your face and pull yourself together, man. We're gonna be fine. Remember, we're Lane's addiction.
Oh, thank God.
Roger, you got your revenge. Can we go home now?
Roger! I'm sorry, I got the bloodlust. Eventually I'll get bored with it. Remember when I was super into Jiffy Pop? Had it all the time for a snack? Overdid it. Then I started having a little Greek yogurt and berries at night. That's all I need. Hey, so what's happening with that girl? You still emailing?